Hi, I'm Ranger Tammy.
And I'm Ranger Verity. Come and take 5 with us in the Adelaide Bird and Dolphin Sanctuaries.
Bird watching at Thompson's Beach. Hiking through the Garden Island mangroves. Spotting dolphins along the Port River. Exploring the mangrove forest boardwalk. Beachcombing for ocean treasures.
As part of Park of the Month, the Adelaide Shorebird and Dolphin Festival, we have heaps of great activities.
Join in the fun. There's heaps of family-friendly events happening throughout November. We can't wait to see you there.